A person who is absolutely necessary for someone or something. Indispensable. A slowly moving mass or river of ice, glacier. A person who eats the flesh of other human beings is carnival. Medical doctors who specialize in diagnosing disease is a radiologist. Medical doctor who specialize in diagnosing disease using X-ray, CT scan, and ultrasound is radiologist. The organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of leaves and other plant material is humus. The ruler with complete power over a country is dictator. A set of rooms forming a one residence in a building is apartment. The date on which an event took place in a previous year is anniversary. A person who robs ships is pirates. A person who robs ships is pirates. Place where two or more river meet, confluence. Two length of rope, wood or metal with a cross pieces used for climbing up and down walls, ladder. An imaginary ideal society is utopia. A government by the novel is a aristocracy. A place where gambling games are played is casino. A partner in crime is accomplice. A close-fitting cover for a sword is sheath. A doctor who treats skin disease is dermatologist. Safe to drink is potable. A group of stars that make a pattern is constellation. One who does not care for arts or literature is Philistine. A word or law no longer in use is obsolete. The state of being married to one person at a time is monogamy. A very large impressive residence is mansion. A group of lions is pride. Obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat is anorexia. A detailed list of things in a place is inventory. A glass container in which fish can be kept is aquarium. Profane talk is blasphemy. A fast moving stream of water is torrent. A group of cattle is herd. A statement which cannot be contradicted is irrefutable. A group of people traveling together, especially in a desert, is caravan. Not supporting any side in an argument is impartial. The science concerned with the properties of sound is acoustics. An extreme fear of darkness is nyctophobia. Acts act of giving up the throne is abdication. The state governed by old people is gerontocracy. Eat one words, retract what one has said. Rose colored glasses, a positive outlook on life. On the spur of moment, acting impulsively without thinking. One track mind, always think of only one thing. On the double, at a fast pace. Over one's hand, beyond one's capability to understand something. A fair weather friend, an unreliable friend. Breath of fresh, someone or something new and refreshing. Take exception. Object 2. Like a fish out of water, uncomfortable and restless. By lips and bond, at a rapid pace. A 9 days wonder, a short lived sensation. Cast a slur upon, damaged. brought to book, held accountable, lay or lay our heads together, work in consultation, up to the mark, up to the required standard. A cry in the wilderness, cry in the wilderness, an unheeded warning. Spread like wildfire, spread rapidly. Do a good turn, render a service, blow once one trumpet, phrase oneself, far and wide, in all direction. Carry the day, win a victory. I was a deception. Cry over split milk to regulate unnecessarily. Sorry, to regret uselessly. First and foremost, most important aspect, apple of one's eye, very dear. Behind one's back, in one's absence, word and synonyms. Estimate, assesses, reluctant, 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 unwilling, motive, reason, efficiency, capability, ramification, consequence, revive, restore, accurately, correctly, and astonished, astonishment, wonder, condescending, patronizing. Antonyms: devote, passive, manifest, disguise, perseverance, instability, crucial, trivial, endorse, renounce, gradually, abruptly, abominable, delightful, temporary, lasting, bloated, fleeted. Thank you.